Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to file for an LLC step by step. First, you'll need to choose a unique name for your business and verify its availability with your state's Secretary of State. Next, designate a registered agent who will receive legal and tax documents on behalf of your LLC. Finally, research the filing fees and ongoing costs in your specific state, as these can vary significantly. This initial planning ensures a smooth start. Once your initial planning is complete, the next crucial step is to draft and file your articles of organization with the appropriate state agency. After your LLC is approved, apply for an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. This is essential for tax purposes. Lastly, create an operating agreement, which details the ownership structure and management of your LLC, even if you are the sole owner. After your LLC is officially formed, it's vital to open a separate business bank account. This clearly distinguishes your personal and business finances, which is key to maintaining your limited liability protection. Be sure to understand your state's ongoing compliance requirements, including any annual reports or fees. Staying organized and compliant will help your LLC thrive and protect your assets. Finally, always consider consulting with legal and tax professionals. They can offer personalized advice tailored to your specific business needs and ensure you meet all local, state, and federal regulations. Remember, forming an LLC is a significant step, and ongoing compliance is crucial for its success. For more insights on managing your finances, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.